how to pair Razer Blackshark V2 Hyperspeed with PC, phone, Xbox, PS4, and PS5. I'm going to tell you how to pair the Razer Blackshark V2 Hyperspeed with multiple devices. For PC, plug in the included USB-C Hyperspeed dongle. Your headset should connect instantly. For Bluetooth pairing, press and hold the smart switch button until the LED blinks blue. Then pair it from your phone's Bluetooth menu. On PS4 or PS5, use the same USB dongle. The console will detect it as a headset right away. For Xbox, it's trickier. The Blackshark V2 Hyperspeed doesn't natively support Xbox wireless, so you'll need a 3.5mm cable if your controller has a headphone jack, or a compatible USB adapter that bridges the signal. Keep in mind, only the wired method works properly on Xbox, so for full wireless connection, stick to PC, PlayStation, and Bluetooth devices.